Time for trending market for the week. We will be checking out the the trend for the whole week, okay, in order for us to know how the market will go before we start going into it. Okay, so with this particular guide, we usually make a lot of money throughout the week. Okay, so we will be checking these out together right now in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, I would like you guys to know that this video will be based on higher time frame. Okay, so if you are going to be trading, you should try as much as possible to be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame in order for you to have a successful trading activities, because any little reversal on higher time frame can be any little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal on lower time frame. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's go straight into it, starting with Boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here, and of course I'm on 1 hour time frame. I decided to use 1 hour so that you guys can still manage your way with within the market. Okay, so whenever you are trading, okay, so this is very important. This started an uptrend from here and it came to an end around here. So right from there it started a downtrend. For those of you that were able to get my analysis, my trend analysis for the week last week, you should have moved the market right from here. You can see this is where I put the trend line. Okay, and I said you should put your stop loss at the top right here, so you can imagine you should have moved the market right from here to here. That will have given you a lot of profit. Okay, and of course guys, it is still selling. Okay, so I also at this pullback I decided to place an order. Also, you can see a sell order, and I put my TP somewhere here, so it has been going on well. Okay, I use the smallest lot size. This has actually given me $27 at the moment. Okay, so if I had used a big lot size, okay, I should be having about $1,000 or more. Okay, so that is how sweet this is. Okay, so it's going to get to the TP around there. Of course, I might even remove this TP and readjust it downward and use stop loss to lock up some part of the profit. Okay, because I know it's still going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. So this is going to be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend, just the way you have seen it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check this out right now. Okay, so guys, this is Boom 500. Boom 500 was on downtrend but came to an end at this support zone, so it started an uptrend, and of course it is buying at the moment. Okay, it may likely get to this point, but at first it will get to this point first. Once it breaks out above this, then it will definitely get here. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity for every one of us that we like to trade the spikes. Okay, so you can come in and trade this and make the market for a very long time. So this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000. It was an uptrend right from here, got to this region, started an 8 downtrend but wasn't able to go below this, so it pulled back and it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying. We will have to check out the next resistance zone for it, but if it does not, it will come back down and try out the support zone again. So at the moment it is still, it is on uptrend at the moment. Okay, it is on uptrend at the moment. Okay, so guys, let's check out Crash 500. This is Crash 500, and of course this was on downtrend before but got to an end at this support zone, and it has started an uptrend and it is still buying at the moment, and of course may likely get to this resistance zone while trying to may likely get to this resistance zone before it will have a major pullback. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, the last asset is going to be Vicent, and of course it's been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to go above that, so it's had a pullback, and of course it's trying to buy up again. So this is still buying at the moment, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. But if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend again. So for now, this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so these are what we are able to come up with today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.